Hey guys, welcome back to this week's episode of Living Room Makeover. We have gotten ourselves new recliner sofa because our previous sofa was very old and then it sort of have sink in. So we decided to get ourselves new sofas to enjoy the whole movie experience. And we have also gotten new ceiling fan that come with lights as well. This time around we decided to be a bit more hands-on and opt for the no installation service, and we'll show you how we have actually fixed up the ceiling fan plus light. Yeah. So let's say if you're new to this channel, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and also the little bell icon that notifies you every time we upload a new video. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Tree. Light. Wow. There's light. We'll be giving the cabinet a whole new look because some of the paint have already chipped off and we don't want to waste the cabinet because they are in pretty good condition apart from the paint itself. So we have got the vinyl wrap from AliExpress and we'll be wrapping the cabinet top to make it look better.